Number 1. 1966 Ford Galaxy 500 Coupe, $3,900, Dearborn, Michigan. This 1966 Ford Galaxy 500 Coupe is a budget-friendly full-size American classic powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a solid, complete car that runs, drives, and stops properly, and it also comes with extra parts. The Galaxy was one of Ford's most popular full-size models of the 1960s, known for its comfortable ride and durable mechanicals. At $39,900, this Michigan car offers affordable classic car ownership with good restoration potential. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo 4.3 for $3,500, Southgate, Michigan. This 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is an original survivor equipped with a 4.3-liter V6 engine and showing just over 50,000 miles. While it currently does not run and is being sold as a project, the seller notes that the overall condition remains impressive. The Monte Carlo is one of the most recognizable personal luxury coupes of the 1980s. At $3,500, it provides an affordable entry into the growing G-body collector market. Number 3. 1960 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $9,995, Akron, Ohio. This 1960 Ford Thunderbird features a striking red exterior and matching red interior. Showing 62,000 miles, the seller describes it as a clean, solid car that has never been repainted, with excellent chrome and interior condition. Part of the famous square bird generation, this Thunderbird is admired for its distinctive styling and strong V8 performance. It presents an attractive opportunity for collectors seeking a well-preserved example. Number 4. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $4,100, North Royalton, Ohio. This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza is powered by its unique air-cooled rear-mounted engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives, although a tune-up would be beneficial. A new alternator has already been installed, and the car comes with a clean title. The second-generation Corvair is appreciated for its improved handling and sleek styling. This affordable Monza offers something different from traditional muscle cars. Number 5. 1969 Cadillac DeVille Sedan, $8,500, Sebring, Ohio. This 1969 Cadillac DeVille is powered by a replacement 472 cubic inch V8 that reportedly runs very well. The body has been protected with undercoating and has reportedly never seen winter road salt. Although it needs brakes, tires, and some cosmetic work, it remains a solid restoration candidate. The DeVille continues to be one of the most elegant American luxury cars of its era. Number 6. 1985 Mercury Capri, $7,000, Bloomingdale, Michigan. This 1985 Mercury Capri features a modified 5.0-liter V8, 5-speed manual transmission, and desirable T-top roof panels. Several performance upgrades and recently replaced components add to its appeal. Sharing its Fox platform roots with the Mustang, the Capri benefits from excellent parts availability. With minimal rust and strong running condition, it offers both collector value and driving enjoyment. Number 7. 1972 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback, $5,500 Muncie, Indiana. This 1972 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback has served as a reliable daily driver and retains its original engine. Upgrades include dual carburetors, suspension improvements, and brake work. Less common than the Beetle, the Type 3 offers distinctive styling and dependable Volkswagen engineering. This example would make an enjoyable and unique classic driver. Number 8. 1949 Plymouth Special Deluxe, $3,500, Brunswick, Ohio. This 1949 Plymouth Special Deluxe is a genuine post-war American classic that runs and drives. However, it has not been regularly driven for years and will require brake work before returning to the road. Its flowing body lines and vintage styling continue to attract enthusiasts. At $3,500, it represents an affordable entry into the pre-1950 classic car hobby. Number 9. 1965 Ford Thunderbird Q-Code model, $5,000, Cortland, Ohio. This 1965 Ford Thunderbird Q-Code is powered by a desirable big block engine and offers solid restoration potential. While it runs, brake issues and other mechanical needs mean it should be transported by trailer. Q-Code Thunderbirds are respected for their combination of performance and luxury. Minimal reported rust adds to this project's appeal. Number 10. 1983 Oldsmobile 88, $3,500, Lansing, Michigan. This 1983 Oldsmobile 88 recently completed a 2-hour highway trip without issues. It features working heat, air conditioning, and a notably clean interior. Although some dents and minor rust are present, the car remains a dependable and affordable vintage cruiser. Full-size Oldsmobiles from this era continue to gain appreciation among enthusiasts. Number 11. 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7, $5,900, Ohio. This 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7 is equipped with a 351 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, power accessories, and factory air conditioning. A rebuilt carburetor helps keep it running well. While minor cosmetic and brake work is needed, the car appears solid overall. Its distinctive styling and comfortable ride make it an appealing collector car. Number 12. 1977 Chevrolet Caprice Sedan, $4,500, Youngstown, Ohio. This 1977 Chevrolet Caprice is powered by its original 305 cubic inch V8 and reportedly has only 71,000 original miles. The car appears to be a largely untouched survivor with a clear title. The redesigned 1977 Caprice became one of General Motors' most successful full-size cars. This example could be a smart buy for collectors seeking originality. Number 13. 1965 Oldsmobile F85 Cutlass, $10,000, Newport, Kentucky. This 1965 Oldsmobile F85 Cutlass retains its original 330 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission. It also benefits from a front disc brake conversion and remains a running and driving classic. The Cutlass helped establish Oldsmobile's reputation for combining performance with everyday usability. This example offers originality along with practical upgrades. Number 14. 1979 Nissan Datsun 280ZX, $1,800, West Hills, California. This 1979 Nissan Datsun 280ZX is being sold through a towing company lien sale and features a manual transmission with 113,000 miles. It represents an affordable restoration project. The 280ZX has become increasingly collectible due to its sporty styling and strong aftermarket support. At $1,800, it offers significant potential for the right buyer. Number 15. 1977 Plymouth Volare Wagon, $3,000, National Park, New Jersey. This 1977 Plymouth Volare Wagon is powered by Chrysler's durable slant-six engine. The wagon runs, drives, and stops, and even retains a functioning factory radio. Although it needs several repairs, the clean interior and solid drivetrain make it an appealing project. Classic station wagons continue to attract growing interest from collectors. Number 16. 1979 Plymouth Volare, $4,500, Hampton Bays, New York. This 1979 Plymouth Volare is a mostly original example powered by the dependable slant-six engine and automatic transmission. The seller reports that it has been regularly driven, including on long trips. Recent improvements include a new radiator and heater core. Affordable and increasingly uncommon, this Volare offers enjoyable classic cruising at a reasonable price.